Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited because I got these two awesome hoodies in the mail. There's this green one, which I love the color. It's my favorite color ever. I always alternate between green and pink, but I'm really digging this forest green, and it has two little mushrooms on it, which is so me. And then they sent me this blank lilac one, which I definitely intend to doodle on today because why not? So the first thing I have to figure out is what I want to draw on the hoodie. I know for sure that I want to draw some of my signature little doodles that I make and that I paint everywhere, which are these little tangly spaghetti swirls filled in with leaf-like patterns. But I don't want the entire hoodie to be consumed by them. I want a sort of centerpiece. I got this plate from the kitchen and I traced it out. I think what I'm gonna end up going with is a cow as my centerpiece for this hoodie. I think it'll be super cute and it's worth a try. So here what I'm doing is tracing out a cow head and filling it in with these fabric markers that I found at Walmart. Everything I use is linked to this video and you can also find them in the description below. That way if you're interested in making a project like this, you know what products I used. Moving on, so the process of drawing and shading in the cow was not as difficult as I thought it would be. The fabric of these hoodies is extremely soft and I did have to wipe away some of the fabric fibers that stuck to the markers from time to time, but it wasn't too big of an issue. These hoodies, by the way, are from Giant Hoodies. I'm not sponsored or anything, but I'll link their page in the description so you can check them out. They're super comfy and cozy and I'm really happy with the quality. I decided to put some of this pink marker on my finger and smudge it lightly onto the cow's nose because otherwise, the pink color was just too saturated. Next, I'm going to be using one of my absolute favorite art tools ever. It's this Poshka brush marker. I've gotten so many questions about this marker in the past, and I'm really glad that I found this one in my little toolbox for this project. I love the brush tip. It's super flexible, and it comes in other acrylic water-based colors, but I only buy it in black and white. It's perfect for highlights and blending, and it really is a very versatile marker. Alright, so now I am at a good place with my cow. Oh my god, look how good she looks. I can't wait to wear this one. It's gonna be so cute. Okay, I'm gonna cover it with the plate and doodle around it so that I don't smudge or accidentally get ink on the parts that I don't want to ink. Whew, I am at the halfway point of doodling. I considered leaving it halfway like this, but I'm also really curious to see what it would look like if I doodled it all the way. I think I'm gonna leave the pockets here empty though. What do you guys think? If you've made it to this point in the video, comment a cow emoji so I know who's watching. Also, if you have any suggestions for what I should doodle or draw on future hoodies or on canvas, let me know in the comments. I love reading through people's suggestions and visualizing all the crazy awesome things that y'all come up with. Okie dokie, so I've finished the bottom portion of the hoodie. The last thing I want to do is just add a little bit of white highlight on the initial string portions of these doodles here. I want the cow to stand out when I finally remove the plate, and I feel like this is going to help it do just that. All done. Drum roll, please. Okay, so I'm going to remove the plate. Are y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. It's perfect. You guys, oh my gosh, look at it. This is so much better than I expected it to be. I'm honestly a little bit impressed with myself. Not gonna lie. I am so happy with this little project. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like this video. Check out the linked products and the details in the description below. My next video will be out next Wednesday at 12 p.m. Central Time. I hope y'all are able to watch it because it's going to be very fun. And I hope you all have a wonderful, beautiful day today.